Welcome students. Let us continue our discussion with the topic motion curves by solving some more examples. The next question is the race car starts from rest, that means initial velocity will be equal to 0 and travels along a straight road until it reaches a speed of 42 meter per second in 50 seconds as shown in velocity time diagram. Determine the distance traveled by the car in 50 seconds and also draw xt and at curve. So here we are given vt curve for the car. Let us start with at curve. We know that for at curve we have to go downside, and for downside what we do, we take the slope of curve. Let us start the solution. Solution for at curve. Now, for at curve, let us start with from a 0 to 20. Why 0 to 20? Because the curve here is same from 0 to 20. What is the formula? Formula is same, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is my first point whose coordinates are 0, 0. And this is my now second point whose coordinates now will be 20, 18. So as per the formula y2 minus y1, so it will be 18 minus 0. So I will write here 18 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 20 minus 0. So 20 minus 0, and I will get answer as 0.9 meter per second square. Now let us proceed further for acceleration between 20 to 30. Again, as we are going downside, it will be a slope. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But now as it is between 20 to 30, this point at 20 will become my first point, and this point will now become my second point. So this will be 30, 80. Now y2 minus y1 will be 18 minus 18. So I will write here 18 minus 18 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 30 minus 20. I will write here 30 minus 20. So it will be 0 by 10 and answer will be 0 meter per second square. Third part is between 30 to 50. So I will write down a between 30 to 50. Again formula will be same, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We are just finding out slope. Now first point is 30, second point is 50. So this 30, 18 which is at 30 will become my first point, and this will become now my second point whose coordinates will be 50, 42. So y2 minus y1 will become now 42 minus 18 divided by x2, that is 50 minus 30. So it will be 42 minus 18 is 24 divided by 50 minus 30 is 20. So I will get answer as 1.2 meter per second square. So with this we have completed the calculation part. Now next part is drawing the motion curve. Now we can see that all the values are positive. So I will make a graph like this wherein all the values will keep positive. So this is my timeline and this is my A, which will be in meter per second square. The timing will be same, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And on the y-axis it will be 0, which is already there. Then it should be 0.9 and then it will be 1.2. Now between 0 to 10, the acceleration is 0.9, which is constant. This is also there. You also have the concept that if here it is an inclined line, in AT diagram it will be a constant line. So I will make between 0 to 20 a constant line in acceleration part. Next part, between 20 to 30, as it is line of degree 0 here, between 20 to 30 there will be a line of, if it is degree 0. Now here in VT diagram already the degree of the line is 0, that means acceleration is 0, and what we have also got from calculation. So between 20 to 30 acceleration was 0, so I will make a mark, a line here. Between 20 to 30 acceleration is 0. For third part acceleration is 1.2 and the degree of the curve here is a single degree curve. So if it is a single degree curve, in AT diagram it should be a horizontal line or a 0 degree curve with a value of 1.2. So it will be like this. Between 30 to 50 there will be a line of 1.2 meter per second. So this completes the acceleration time diagram for the given figure. Now let us start for xt curve. And for xt curve what we do? We take area under curve. Why? Because we are going up from velocity. So degree will increase and we will take area under curve. Let us start with this. Displacement between 0 to 20 seconds. So formula will be displacement between 0 to 20 is displacement at 0th second plus area under VT curve between 0 to 20. So x0, as initial displacement is not given, we will assume it to be as 0 plus area under VT curve for 0 to 20. So for 0 to 20 the curve under this is this one, that is the triangle, and the triangle base is 20 and height is 18. So it will be half into 20 into 18. On solving which I will get answer as 180 meters. Next part is displacement between 20 to 30. So first what I will do, I will add the displacement till 20th second plus it will be area under VT curve between 20 to 30. X till 20 we already got 180 plus area under VT curve for this. So for this area under VT curve is this one. This is a rectangle of base 10 and height 18. So area of rectangle will be 10 multiplied by 18. So on solving which I will get 180 plus 180, it will be 360 meters. Third case or third part is displacement between 30 to 50. So what I will write? I will write first displacement till 30th second plus area under curve, area under VT curve between 30 to 50. So x30 I already got 360 plus area under this curve. So area under this curve means this area, this entire area, which is comprising of a rectangle plus a triangle. Rectangle has a base of 20 and height of 18. This triangle has height of 24 and base of 20. So I will write here area under curve VT, which is area of rectangle, that is 20 multiplied by 18 plus area of triangle, that is half into base. Base is 20 and height is 24. So solving which I will get 2 and 10. So 240 plus 360 plus 360, I will get answer as 960 meters. So this we have completed the calculation part of displacement. Next part is to draw xt curve. So all the values are positive side. So I will make here, this is my t, this is x, the values will be same on timeline 20, 30, 40 and 50. And the values which we got are 180, 360 and lastly it is 960. Now for xt curve, the value at 0th second is 0, so this is the point, and the value at 20th second is 180, so this is the point. Now how to join these points? Look at VT diagram. In VT diagram, the slope or the degree of this line is 1, and we know that as we go upside the degree increases. So these 2 points will be joined by a second degree curve, that is a parabolic curve. Next part. At 30 the displacement is 360 meters. So at 30 displacement is 360, so this is the point. Now these 2 points need to be connected. How it will be connected? Taking help from VT diagram. In VT diagram, the degree here for this curve is 0. So as degree is 0 here, it should be degree 1 in the xt diagram. Degree 1 means a inclined line. So this will be joined by a inclined line. Third case. At 50, the displacement is 960. So this is the point. Now these 2 points need to be joined. Now how to join this? Again take help from VT diagram. In VT diagram, the slope is having a degree 1. So if it is degree 1 here, it should be a degree 2 here. So these 2 points will be joined by a parabolic curve again. So this is again a parabola. So with this we have completed drawing the xt and at curve. One more thing asked in the question was determine the distance traveled by the car in 50 seconds. So we have here at 50 seconds the displacement was 960 meters. So my answer will be the distance traveled by the car in 50 seconds is 960 meters, and for second part, that is draw xt and at curve, we have already drawn, and this completes the solution.